add text effect in KineMaster. It in few steps you can simply add text effect in KineMaster. It's very easy to do. How you can do is there are many options. If you tap on the text you have typed, then there you can see options like edit, font, trim, animation, overlay, color, blah blah blah. And then over there you can see there are many types of effect like blend, like multiple bar, blend dark, like you can blend with the picture as well. Here you can see outline, black outline. If you increase or decrease, the outline will be more. Shadow, here you can choose the color from here. Add the angle, distance, how you want to make it glowy. You can simply make it text background, just enable it and choose your desired color, add it like this. You can simply add it. It's very easy. Make sure you tap on enable, then after like this you can add different effects in your text.